Business for Future Presence. Discussion on performance marketing with case study on company Boat. Performance marketing focuses on key performance indicators like clicks, conversion, sales, and leads. It also focuses on data-driven approach like data analytics and insights, metrics, and user behavior. It works on pay-for-performance model. Payment is done only when desired result is obtained. Boat focused advertising on YouTube, Instagram, and other social media apps for observing consumer behavior. Boat also did celebrity marketing with different cricketers and actors to create proper brand hype and buzz. They also did community creation by creating special product design for a certain fan base like Marvel and IPL franchises. Thanks for watching Business for Future.